You're watching DD India's News Hour. I'm Amritpal Singh. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates met with India's Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, in New Delhi on Wednesday. Gates praised India's remarkable efforts in health and family welfare, especially its leading role in combating tuberculosis.
Together with the Health Ministry, it's I'm excited to be here. I just came from Odisha, which was very impressive to see all the things they're doing, including, the digital innovation. It's kind of amazing what a leader India is in digital innovation. And of course, as part of the G20 meeting, that was one of the commitments that India made, was that it would help share all of the great progress being made to use digital approaches to improve healthcare. And that's an area, not just because of my original career, but in general, we see great potential for. And so, we're looking forward to the continued evolution of the ABDM vision on how we can track patients and coordinate all the different workers and making sure we're focusing resources on the people who need it the most.
During the visit, Gates was introduced to Bhisham Arogya Maitri Cube, hailed as the world's first emergency hospital capable of being set up within 10 minutes. This innovative solution can be swiftly deployed to disaster zones either via airlift or even by bicycle, showcasing India's proactive approach to disaster preparedness. Spearheaded by Prime Minister Modi, the initiative has been successfully executed through a collaborative effort between the Defence Ministry and the Health Ministry. India is the first country to make a financial case for women's empowerment, creating an alliance for global good. This initiative reflects India's commitment to its G20 presidency agenda, emphasizing a vision of one world, one future. The alliance is a coalition of the government, industry and development organizations. The logo for this alliance was unveiled on Wednesday in New Delhi in presence of India's Minister for Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani. It was co-chaired by Bill Gates from the Bill Gates and Melinda Gates Foundation. Born out of the G20 leaders' declaration, India's steadfast commitment to women-led development, the alliance is poised to make a transformative impact on gender-related issues.
As we walked, we Indians looked proudly at the first ever gender lounge at Davos, which celebrated the female potential not only of India, but also resonated with our partners across the world, for they had never seen such a collaboration ever before. Mr. Gates has been kind enough to say that your organization has partnered under the Prime Minister's leadership on issues of gender and nutrition for years. While I reciprocate that admiration and gratitude for the partnership, gender budgeting under Prime Minister Modi's leadership in the past decade has gone up by 239%. We know that ministries across the government have gender budget cells. We hope now that we can create processes to compute, report data, and if there are gaps, then to address those gaps.
This initiative, I think, got started with India's very successful G20, which showed the world many of the great things going on, including this new focus on Indian-led development. And I'm very pleased to see this coming together. Many of these issues have not gotten the attention they deserve, and so I think we can actually make rapid progress in a number of things. And both I and my co-chair, Melinda Gates, are very committed to that. So the focus of the alliance is on issues of gender health, education, and enterprise, and all of them are very important to equitable development. The minister's leadership on this has made a big difference. We've been partnering with her on a number of things, and this new initiative, which will bring in both government, foundation, and private sector resources, is another example. So we're committed to this for the long term. I'll be thrilled as we make progress and we can meet with you and talk about the results that are a result of this alliance.
The Bharatiya Janata Party delegation, turning to, local news.